This is what I'm tired of. I cannot get this thing to start. I gotta push the start. This is a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. Here's what happens. Step on the brake, press the start button. And there it goes. Fires up and cuts off. Most of the time it just tries to crank but never fires up. There it goes again. Fires up, off. Listen carefully to the sound that the engine's making. Not good. No bueno. I'm at work trying to go home. Listen to that. Oh shit, what's that? Why the hell is it doing that? And it smells like fucking gas in here. $50,000. $50,000. Now what the fuck is that? I've already taken this in to get this thing started once. I don't know what they did, but it clearly wasn't a permanent solution. It was just a temporary fix because it's back doing the same thing, and I want this thing to be fixed permanently. I mean, replace parts. Replace the starter. Seems like the power to the fuel pump is shutting off, because even when I step on the gas, it's not getting fuel to cause the ignition. It just continues to try to turn over and over and over. Either way, I want it fixed. So this is just documenting the issue that I'm having for the second time. It's August the 25th at 4:27 p.m. It's a Monday. I have an appointment with Brenner Jeep on tomorrow, Tuesday, August 26th. Dropping it off at 7:30 a.m. and hopefully this thing is fixed. It needs to be inspected at the end of the month, so I need to pass inspection. And since my warranty is coming very close to the end, I want to make sure that all problems, current and all potential problems, are taken care of. I don't want anything that's just going to last 6 months and then I'm having this issue again once the warranty runs out. So anything that's damaged as a result of this, I want all of that stuff replaced. I want it all replaced. And I have a feeling that is the case. I think that I've been starting this thing up and this whole issue is probably causing some other domino effect to something else that's going to break down later. Yesterday, the car completely shut down while I was driving it. So that's absolutely unsafe. And whatever this issue is, it's a known issue because I've seen multiple videos online about it. This shit needs to be addressed by the company, because if that thing had shut off me while I'm driving in the fast lane of the highway, what would be the end result of that? So it needs to be investigated. If it's a simple fix, fix it, do a recall, figure it out. But customers need to know, especially someone who's going to spend upwards to $50,000 on a vehicle. Nobody should have to go through any issue like this after only driving the vehicle for 2 years and some change. And as you can see, I only have 32,000 miles. So I just want to document this in case someone else is going through the same problem. You're not the only one. And I think that Chrysler Jeep needs to speak up and reach out to customers about providing a permanent solution and not a temporary fix like I got the last time.